Hey everyone, today we are putting a blue spring in the fuel pressure regulator for the return on this 6-liter powerstroke F250. Reason for doing this is the stock spring does not hold back enough pressure, so it's called the blue spring mod. It's basically a blue spring you buy from Ford, or there's other companies that make them. I'll leave the link for the Amazon posting where I bought my blue spring kit from. It's an OEM Ford part. That'll be down below, so feel free to check that out. Other than that, let's get to it. Alright, we have the intake box removed. There's 4 clamps just like this, and then the 2 holes where the posts on the bottom of the box go. You just have to pry those out and just stick in there. And then right down there in the middle between those two is our intake hose clamp or boot clamp. So we'll get that one off and this one off, and then we'll be ready to get to the pressure regulator. Alright, the intake tube is out. I also took off the front of the air box. It wasn't held in by anything but a hose. So I just took that off. It gave me a little bit more room to get to the intercooler clamp, or the intake clamp. Now over here, I'm going to take this fuel line off first. And then we'll take these 4 Torx bits out, and then we'll go from there. Alright, these are 227 bits. Get them all broken loose. Do have to finagle the radiator hose there a little bit to get to where you need to get to. But not too bad. Alright, so we've got a bit of fuel dropping out there now. I'm going to get a paper towel under here. There we go. Keep in mind these are spring loaded, or this does have a spring behind it, so it will have some pressure behind it. Dropped that into nowhere. Sucks. Alright, the housing's out. Go. Okay, I'm going to remove this white piece. I just peeled it up from the bottom with my fingernails and pulled it out with a pair of pliers. We got to get these 2 O-rings out of here, and there's one on the side of the housing. We can get that out. Obviously now it's out of the truck, but so we got to get these 2 out now. Don't have a pick, so here we go. Pulled that one out. Stick this in, kind of pry up and pull out. There we go, pretty close. Not quite enough to grab it though. There we go. Alright, we got our new housing up next to our old one here, and nothing's different at all. We just have to take this fitting out and get it into that one. Okay, we got the fitting in. It's a 7/8 wrench you have to use to get the fitting in there. There's an O-ring in between here that you have to replace. It comes with the kit, as well as this O-ring on the back. Also comes with the kit. Okay, the gasket surface is cleaned with brake clean and paper towel, so we can start reassembling now. Put this little white piece with the black O-ring on right in there. Just slides right in. Okay, we have our black fitting. A little bit of all-purpose grease on there. Slide it in. Okay, light coat of grease on the brass fitting. Push that in. Now we'll put the spring in here and the cover back on top of that. Spring slides in. Got my bolts here ready to go. The kit comes with new bolts, which is nice. Spring in there, in the right spot. everything's reattached, we'll just reattach our fuel line here. Okay. Now that's all done. Put the intake pipe back in, put the air box back in. Actually, before we do all that, let's turn on the key and make sure we don't have. Let's turn on the key, prime the fuel system, see if we have any leaks. Okay, everything feels good. Now we can put it all back together. It is all buttoned back up. Alright guys, I hope that video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the subscribe button, hit a thumbs up. Went ahead and ran the truck for a few minutes and drove it a little bit and then checked it. No fuel leaks, so we're all good there. I am doing a sticker giveaway. If you guys send me a screenshot to my Instagram DM at OKCarMods, a screenshot showing you are subscribed to the channel, I will give you one of these two stickers or both. So check it out. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.